Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, we talk about workplace culture, team engagement, and making work life better, and so much more. And today we're diving into an easy way to boost morale. How to automate birthday and work anniversary celebrations inside Microsoft Teams. No more forgotten dates or last minute planning. So let's get into it. Workplace celebrations, big or small, have a huge impact on company culture. Here's exactly why they matter. For one thing, they help boost employee morale. Recognizing birthdays and anniversaries shows your employees they're more than just their job titles. A simple happy birthday can go a long way. Second, they help strengthen team bonds. Acknowledging milestones helps foster a sense of belonging, especially in remote teams. It really is those little moments that create a stronger connection. And last but not least, they help improve retention. Employees who feel valued are that much more likely to stay. It's a small investment that leads to the long-term engagement and loyalty that every company is striving for. Well, you might be asking yourself, Microsoft Teams doesn't innately have this feature, so how can I automate recognitions inside Microsoft Teams? It's simple. With Teamflect on your side, it'll feel like they're an innate feature of Microsoft Teams. So let us show you how. In order to automate your birthday and anniversary recognitions, you'll have to go into Teamflect's Admin Center and click on Modules on the left-hand side, and then go to Recognitions. If you scroll a little bit down, you'll see birthday and anniversary recognitions. Let's click on Manage Anniversary Recognitions first. By default, you'll see some of the features already on, and you can decide which ones are on or off through the toggles on the right-hand side or edit them as you please. Now let's go back to recognition settings. If you scroll back down, you'll see Enable Birthday Recognitions with a toggle off by default. You can turn the feature on by clicking on the toggle. Let's also hit Edit Birthday Recognition Message. From here, you can choose the background image, or the badge, or the messages, or who's going to be receiving these messages inside Teamflect. When you're done setting up, just click Save. Inside the Admin Center, you can also see upcoming anniversaries. For example, today is Janet's 4th year anniversary. The same logic applies for upcoming birthdays. Tomorrow, for example, is Jessica's birthday. Now on the user's end, here's how a happy anniversary message shows up inside Teamflect. Other users can like or comment on these recognition badges. On the manager's end, here's how a happy anniversary message shows up inside Teams chats. That same exact logic also applies to happy birthday messages. Workplace celebrations don't have to be time-consuming, but they should be meaningful. Automate them today and see the difference for yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more workplace tips, and drop a comment. How does your team celebrate birthdays and anniversaries? Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.